Hey, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a ReplyRush account and setting up automated DMs for your Instagram post. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for ReplyRush. Click on the first link to access the official website. On the home page, you'll see a sign up free button. Click on it. If you're a first-time user, select Don't Have an Account, Sign Up at the bottom. Now you'll see the registration form. Enter your first and last name in the respective fields, then add your email address. In the Instagram username field, enter the account you want to automate. Select your industry category from the drop-down, choose your country, and create a strong password for your ReplyRush login. Check the agreement box and click Get Started. You'll receive an OTP for email verification. Enter the code to verify your account. Button. This will take you to the login page. Enter the email and password you just created to sign in. You're now on the ReplyRush dashboard. To start automation, click Connect with Instagram. This is Meta approved, so your account is completely safe. Once connected, click Let's Start. Now, navigate to the Posts and Reels section and select the post where you want to enable automation. In Choose Trigger Type, add the keywords that will trigger the automated response. Scroll down to Choose Template Type and write your custom reply message. Click Save to activate. That's it. Now, whenever someone comments with your keyword on that post, they'll automatically receive your DM instantly. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.